My name is Melissa Reimer, and I'm the founder of the Victim to Warrior Method. I spent 7 terrifying years married to an abusive narcissist who was out to destroy me mentally, physically, emotionally, and financially. But I was able to survive and thrive, and I want to share this with you because, like so many of you that I've spoken to, it started out like a fairy tale. I mean, I thought I was the luckiest person on earth. I met him in church, a safe environment. We dated for a year. We were engaged for a year, and then we got married. And within 6 months, everything changed. And I had no idea what was going on. I mean, I was trying to adapt to the different personalities, rages. I was walking on eggshells. I actually thought he was having a mental breakdown. I had no idea what a narcissist was, and neither did anyone else that I talked to, because he was so different out in public than how he was in private with me. So everyone thought I had the problem, and I know how that feels. You feel alone, you feel isolated, you feel there is no one that is going to help you. That's exactly how I felt. So in order to cope with what I was going through, I started journaling. I didn't know what else to do because I could not have these conversations with him. I mean, I could not have any type of conversation with him where he would listen to what I'm saying, admit that he was wrong, apologize, never. And if you're with a narcissist, you know exactly what I'm talking about right there. So I started writing things down. I needed to purge myself of these toxic thoughts. I also started meditating because I still worked. I had been in the financial industry for 40 years and I had a very high level job. I needed to be clear. So I started meditating in the morning to kind of clear my thoughts so I could actually function at my job. Things took a very drastic turn when I could no longer deal with this and I asked for a divorce. That's when he realized he was losing his possession, which was me. He was losing the financial security that he had come to rely on. So he set out to destroy me. The only thing that kept me from being financially destroyed was my background in the finance industry. But he drug our divorce out for 3 years because I did not hire an attorney that understood narcissism. The courts didn't even understand it. So he was able to delay things and cause such stress on me. He thought he was going to break me. But I absolutely knew I had to fight back just to survive this. But it cost me tens of thousands of dollars, which should have been a 3 to 6 month divorce, turned into 3 years. I learned so much during that time. So fortunately, I was able to take an early retirement from my company. And I thought, what in the world am I gonna do with the rest of my life? And when I thought about it, I was in so many Facebook groups throughout for my own recovery that I thought there are so many people that are in this situation that have no idea how to get out. They're isolated, they're alone, they're terrified, they're desperate. So I took every single thing I wrote in my journal, which was my entire life through this situation, and I wrote a program. And I'm gonna put the links below, but I offer a free masterclass that goes through a lot of these survival things that I did when I was going through this. I also just published my new ebook, which is called the Narcissistic Abuse Survival Kit. And that also has so many things that I did that you could do and implement immediately. I do offer coaching calls, and I also created a very extensive online course with 6 modules. It takes about 6 to 8 weeks to get through, but that is a lifeline. You can actually use this going forward once you do recover and you rebound. I still use those methods. So I hope that you will check out everything below. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Just remember, you can go from being a victim to a warrior. You just have to take the first step. And I know how terrifying that first step is, and I know how alone you can feel, but you are not alone. I will be there to hold your hand all the way. Everything I offer is with that in mind. It's so you don't feel alone, so you don't think that you are going through this horrible journey alone. It's the last thing I want for anyone. So please, like I said, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I have so many more helpful videos coming, and I sincerely appreciate it. And please stay safe.